YouTubers. Apparently my B King developed a little flat due to a little screw here. I must have ran over, thank goodness. I was on my way home, but when I was gonna ride, I could not, because obviously it was flat. You can see here, if I put the track stand down, it'll flatten up. So I went to Amazon and got myself a Volker repair kit. Basically the same things you see, everywhere else. So this is the repair kit I have. As you can see here, I've got screwdrivers to take the screw. You put this one in first, straight on, go back and forth to create that that track. So you could see this part, not that whole thing, but you know what I mean. I'm doing this one-handed. But you feed it into this part, which is hard, so get some pliers to pull it through. Once you get it equal, right? Once you get it equal to basically look like that, poke it in straight on, take it out really fast, and then cut the access. All right, so here I go. I'm going to show you. All right, so first of all, I'm going to take the screwdriver out. It'll probably flatten the whole tire, but afterwards we have some slime. I have a slime inflation kit that'll basically, oh, judging by what the nail is, it's probably my nail from the garage. That's terrible. Because of the flooring, probably couldn't see it. So, see, totally my fault. All right, not the road, my fault. Got this here, straight on. And what happens is, I have an assistance with my son, and he's basically helping me keep the brake on, because it's very hard to do it on the road or anything like that. If you're on a track stand, the wheels will start moving back and forth. So what you're doing is you're just basically trying to create a good track, but you're going to need some muscle on it, and unfortunately I'm old, but basically you need to try to be able to put two rubber these things in there, and you won't be able to if you don't make a good track. That everybody knows. Oh. Okay, so he's gonna let go of the brake. Okay, put on the brake. He's trying to hold the camera and do this at the same time, which is hard. All right. I'm trying not to poke the rim. All right, looks good. Do this some more. See how, so basically going in, still hard. So I'm assuming it's not supposed to be that hard. And gonna make that part there. I think that's good. Okay, so now you take one of these things. They give you several. And I'm gonna try to attempt to do it. It's all sticky. I'm trying to feed it through my hand. But again, if you have pliers, it should be a lot easier. But I'm gonna go die hard and basically manhandle and push it through. Arthritis is setting in. There you go, it's getting through. And I'm having my son see it, so when he has this problem, when he eventually rides, hopefully he doesn't have a problem like that. But you know what? They have insurance for a reason. Okay, see how that looks? Looks like that picture. I'm gonna go in, straight through in, okay? A little bit out, and then I'm gonna pull it really fast. 1, 2, 3. So there it is. And so now we're gonna pump it up using that inflator, and then we'll see how it goes. I'll cut at the access. You wanna cut it at least up to here. You want a little nub because it'll smash out. All right, you don't wanna cut too much, but you don't wanna cut straight on, okay? So basically they said cut off at least 3 millimeters. Alrighty? Okay. I'll tell you how it goes. I got this, when I said slime inflation, this is what I mean, because what I like about it is when I turn it on, it stops when I need it. Basically it stops, so I got this, when I said slime inflation, this is what I mean, because what I like about it is when I turn it on, it stops when I need it. Basically it stops, let me get this. Yeah, I don't know why. Okay, so again, I put that there. This is what I got a long time ago for this bike, and what I like about it is from Slime is that it'll stop automatically on the proper tire inflation PSI. So I got it all hooked up. My son's gonna turn on our little Civic SI. Look at that. Call it Ivy. Basically on a charger port. So it's on. Basically turn it on. It's on 0. This is gonna take a while. So as you can see, this is totally flat. We're still pumping up. It's gonna take a while because it was flat. And what I'll do is I'll leave it a little bit. I'm not gonna cut it. See if there's any leakage using a measuring stick on the thing. And I'll ride it a little bit. Again, it's I still got a couple more there. And if nothing else, I can always do it all over again. So it's still going. As you can see, it's very loud. But this one also has a little light. So if you're on the road, it can see you. I really like it. It's already getting really tight. 35. So it stopped on its own. Hopefully you heard that. I didn't want to let the camera run for too long, but that's about it. Everything seems to be holding. Again, I'm going to leave that in for a while. Let it do its job. Basically cut 3 millimeters off of it, ride it, and what it does, it'll flatten it out and it'll eventually turn black. It'll eventually need to change this tire. I'm kind of lazy. If I don't feel it on the road that it slips a little bit, I'll just keep riding. And so there you go. Again, nice quick fix. I'll put a link below. It was from Amazon. Very cheap fix. I got 4 more if I need to, and you could always put it on a, on an automobile, on a trailer, all that stuff. It's good to have in your car. Plus this as well. You can see here, it's already lost like 34.5. It was 35 before, right? So I'm hoping it's not leaking. I'm hoping it's just a valve there. So I'm going to take it off and use a conventional measuring, those things I have one of those too, digital ones. Alrighty? If you like it, please like, subscribe, and hope you've been watching other videos that I have. Thanks.